Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Ubuntu 27 version. This is latest release from April. I am already download ISO image file. This is VM name, VM folder. This is select other location. This is my computer folder. VirtualBox Ubuntu 26 folder name, ISO image, select. This is Ubuntu 26 version. Proceed with unattended installation. Ubuntu 16. Okay. Virtual. This is base memory 2 GB, CPU 1, hard disk 25 GB. You can increase more. Okay, finish. And then going to settings, network, select bridge adapter network, click OK. Then start VM. Enter installation process. Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, Ubuntu server. Boot size is final. Okay. Automatic select language English. Layout variant use English, and done. This is based of the installation Ubuntu server, and done. This is DHCP from okay, done. Enter done. Mirror address being tested. Enter done. Select continue. Press tab. Then select done. Enter done. Select continue. Your name, check server name Ubuntu 26, username check, and password 123 tab. Then done. Enter continue. Press star for install OpenSSH server. Press tab. Select done. Press tab. Select done. Remove this ISO from device menu. Then restart this VM. Installation done, and now reboot this VM. Reset this VM. starting this VM. Successfully installation done. Login, username tech, password 126. Successfully login done. Command is sudo su. Now I am going to root user. Now set up password, root password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Password successfully changed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.